So it's going to be a quick unboxing of the Lenovo Smart Display. It comes in two models, 8-inch model and 10-inch model. This is the 10-inch model. It has Google Assistant built in. You can ask all different types of questions and whatnot, and all that type of stuff. You can also ask all different types of services like YouTube, Spotify, Google Photos, Google Duo, control your Nest products, Philips Hue and whatnot, Chromecast. You can Chromecast stuff to it. It's powered by the Qualcomm 624 processor with 2 gigs of RAM. It's powered by Android things, and yeah, so let's dig inside the box. So here's the smart display. As you can see here, here's the speaker grill. It is a touchscreen, so you can swipe and whatnot, or you can just use your voice. Kind of bamboo backing. That's where the power goes. Mute mic button, or I think there's also a camera on here. I think that's the shutter for it. And then, yeah, just microphones on the other sides. Warranty and whatnot. Power adapter. Yeah, so that's been a quick unboxing of the Lenovo Smart Display. This is one of a few smart displays with Google Assistant that have been announced. There's also ones by LG, JBL, and there should be more coming soon later this year. So yeah, so that's been a quick unboxing of the 10-inch Lenovo Smart Display with Google Assistant.
Google to get started. You can ask questions, play your favorite music and videos, get step-by-step voice guidance for thousands of recipes, control smart home devices, and more. You can also ask your assistant to complete multiple actions with a single command. This is called a routine. Just say, "Hey Google, good morning," and your assistant will show you your calendar, the weather, your commute, and whatever else you need to start your day. Want to share the moment? You can video call friends and family hands-free with Google Duo. Also built in on new Android phones and available for free on iPhones. You can connect compatible smart home devices like the lights and thermostat through the Google Home app on your phone. There you can set up news and media, customize routines, and change the ambient mode, which is what you'll see when you're not using your smart display. To adjust volume or brightness, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. And anytime you want to exit, just swipe from the left edge. Give it a try now and see what your smart display can do for you.
The mic is muted. The mic's back on.